The universe is filled with wonders. We study stars, galaxies, and black holes, but right here on Earth, a new marvel is emerging: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer science fiction. It's here. It's evolving rapidly, and it's changing our world. Imagine machines that can understand our language, learn from their experiences, and even solve complex problems. This is the promise of AI, and it's closer than we think. Two major players in this AI revolution are Google's Gemini 2 and OpenAI's GPT. These advanced AI models are pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. They can generate creative text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, even if they're open-ended, challenging, or strange. These AI systems are still under development, but they offer a glimpse into a future where machines can augment human intelligence in profound ways. Gemini 2 is Google's latest foray into the world of advanced AI. This powerful model is designed to be multimodal. That means it can understand and process information from multiple sources, including text, images, and even videos. Imagine showing Gemini 2 a picture of a bicycle and asking it to write a poem about it. Gemini 2 can analyze the image, understand the concept of a bicycle, and then use its language generation abilities to craft a poem. This multimodal capability makes Gemini 2 incredibly versatile. It can be used for a wide range of tasks, from image captioning and video analysis to creating more engaging and interactive chatbots. Gemini 2 represents a significant step towards creating AI that can perceive and understand the world more like humans do. OpenAI's GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, has taken the world by storm with its impressive language processing abilities. GPT excels at understanding and generating human-like text. It can write stories, poems, articles, and even code in multiple programming languages. The key to GPT's success is its massive training data set. It has been fed a vast amount of text data, allowing it to learn the nuances of human language and generate text that is often indistinguishable from something a human would write. GPT has already found its way into numerous applications, from chatbots and virtual assistants to content creation tools and language translation services. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text makes it an invaluable tool for communication and creativity. Both Gemini 2 and GPT are already making their mark on the real world. Gemini 2's multimodal capabilities make it ideal for applications like image recognition and analysis, video understanding, and creating more immersive virtual assistants. Imagine a virtual assistant that can not only understand your voice commands, but also analyze your surroundings to provide more context-aware responses. GPT's strength in language processing has led to its widespread adoption in chatbots, content creation tools, and language translation services. It can help businesses automate customer support, generate high-quality content, and break down language barriers. Section 5, Gemini versus GPT, a tale of two AIs. While both Gemini 2 and GPT are powerful AI models, they have distinct strengths and weaknesses. Gemini 2 excels at multimodal understanding. It can process information from various sources, making it ideal for tasks requiring visual and linguistic comprehension. GPT, on the other hand, is a language model through and through. It specializes in understanding and generating human-like text, making it perfect for tasks involving writing, translation, and communication. The choice between Gemini 2 and GPT depends on the specific application. If you need an AI that can understand images, videos, and text, Gemini 2 is the better choice. If your focus is on language processing and generation, GPT is the way to go. Section 6. The price of intelligence, access, and cost. Accessing the power of these AI models comes at a cost. Both Google and OpenAI offer different pricing tiers for accessing their AI models through APIs or application programming interfaces. These APIs allow developers to integrate the power of Gemini 2 and GPT into their own applications. The cost of using these APIs typically depends on factors like the number of requests made, the complexity of the tasks, and the amount of data processed. While both companies offer free tiers for limited use, accessing the full capabilities of these AI models often requires a subscription or pay-as-you-go plan. The cost of AI can be a barrier to entry for some individuals and smaller organizations, highlighting the importance of making AI accessible to all. Section 7. Beyond the horizon, the future of AI. The development of AI is still in its early stages, and the future holds immense potential. Gemini 2 and GPT are just glimpses of what AI can achieve. As these models continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more impressive capabilities. Imagine AI that can design personalized educational experiences, create realistic virtual worlds, or even assist in scientific discovery. The possibilities are truly endless. However, the future of AI also comes with challenges. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all humankind. Section 8. Who will rule the AI kingdom? So, which AI model will reign supreme in the future? The answer is not so simple. Both Gemini 2 and GPT have their strengths, and the AI landscape is constantly evolving. It's likely that we'll see a future where different AI models coexist, each specializing in specific tasks and applications. The real question is not which AI will rule, but how we can harness the power of AI to create a better future for everyone. As we venture further into the age of artificial intelligence, we must approach this transformative technology with a sense of wonder, responsibility, and a commitment to using it for the betterment of humanity. The journey into the world of AI has just begun, and the discoveries we make along the way will shape the future of our species and our planet.